Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate a voice in Google AI Studio after the new update. So first, I want you to open AI Studio and sign in with your Google account, then go to the speech and music section. So you may notice that Gemini 3.5 Live Translate Preview is the newest model listed. However, this model is mainly designed for real-time speech-to-speech translation. So in this tutorial, we are going to focus on Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview because it is made for generating natural AI voices, and it gives you more control over your narration. So once you open Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview, you will see several ready-made templates. Like for a normal voiceover, choose the Everyday Assistant template and make sure single speaker is selected instead of multiple speakers. Next, you will see a text box and a section called Scene Context. So this works like the instruction box from the older version. You can leave it blank, enter something simple like a YouTuber recording in a studio, or paste the voice instructions that you normally use. After that, paste the script that you want to convert into audio, then choose a speaker from the available options, and you can listen to each voice sample before selecting one. So which helps you find a voice that fits your video. The new update also gives you more control over the pacing. Natural works well for regular narration, while fast or rapid fire can be useful for quicker tutorial videos. So there's also a staccato option that adds clearer pauses between short words or sentences. You can also choose a speaking style such as a newscaster's, whisper, empathetic, promo hype, or deadpan. So for example, empathetic creates a warmer tone while promo hype sounds more energetic. Next, select an accent such as American, British, Australian, or translated, and you normally do not need to change the audio profile. So once everything is ready, click run.
Good morning. It's 68 degrees and sunny. Traffic.
After the audio is generated, listen to it
Good morning.
and click the download button to save it. And Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS is the best for shorter scripts and also supports expressive audio tags. However, longer voiceovers may sometimes cause errors. For scripts around 6 to 10 minutes long, Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS may work better. So simply return to the speech and music section, open the 2.5 model, choose the assistant template, add your script in settings, then generate the audio as usual. So Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS is a good option for short voiceovers, while Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS may be more reliable for longer narration. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.